Hi, I'm Kristen Burchard, speech-language pathologist, and with me today I have
Alyssa McCarthy, also speech-language pathologist.
And we're going to be showing you how you can use Proloquo2go and model it during an unstructured activity with your child. So today Alyssa is going to be the child and I will be the adult. We have our communication device here. First, I'll show you how you can do this if you have a printed out copy of one of the pages. I just screenshot the first page and then print that out on my computer. And then I'll show you, if you didn't have this, how you can still model using the device. So right now, say Alyssa is playing with some toys. And I'm going to be talking about the things that she's doing. So you can play with the toys. Oh, Alyssa, you have a hippo. I like that. You could say, I like that. She says, I like it. Good job, Alyssa. Now let's try another one. Maybe I'm going to talk about something that I'm seeing to practice commenting with Alyssa. So I might say, look, I see the stop sign. You can stop. Alyssa, tell me stop.
Stop.
Good job, Alyssa. He stops. Now we can tell him go. Go.
Go.
You said go. Now he can go. Good job. Another way you can practice is by having them ask questions about what you're doing. So if Alyssa is playing with some of these toys, I might ask her, what is it? And if she doesn't know, I will help her find it on the device. So you can pick one of the animals to play with. So Alyssa chose the elephant to play with. I'm going to say, Alyssa, look. What is it? What is it? We're saying what?
What?
What is it? We don't know the answer. Let's find it. So I'll go to her search, and I know how to spell the word elephant. It comes up here. I click on it, and then I'm going to let her push the buttons because it teaches her how to find it. If she's not sure, you can point to the device to help her figure out what you want her to do. That's an elephant, Alyssa. Nice job. Now we're going to show you how you can use the device to model if you do not have a communication board. So I'm going to be touching the device while Alyssa is playing so that she can see what I'm doing. And then I will point to it so that she can choose the buttons herself to teach her how to comment and ask questions. So we have some toys in our unstructured play right now. Alyssa is playing with the toys, and I'm just going to talk about what she's doing. Alyssa.
I like it. I like it.
I like that. Do you like that? You can say it too.
I like it. I like it.
You like those toys, Alyssa? Nice job playing. So that's a way that we can comment and talk about what she's doing. I also might use it to teach her to ask questions, which is a really important skill for children to learn. So I might say, oh, what is this?
What is it? What is it?
What is it? Oh, Alyssa doesn't know, so she's going to ask me what?
What?
What is this? This is a
stop
sign. You try.
Stop.
It is a stop sign. It tells the animals, stop. Nice job, Alyssa. So this is how you can use the device even if you don't have a communication board to model. You model straight on the device and then you can have the student try. If the student doesn't want to try, that's totally fine because they're still getting the exposure from you practicing. And then later when they're ready to try, they will know how to do it because they've seen you. Thank you so much for watching today. If you have any questions, you can post them in the comments below or talk to your child's speech-language pathologist.